Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the EPC light with an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner and writing down all stored fault codes. Confirm battery voltage is about 12. 6V so tests are reliable. Low voltage can create false errors. Visually inspect wiring harnesses, connectors, and grounds near the throttle body, accelerator pedal sensor, and brake light switch for corrosion, damage, or loose clips. Note if codes reference the throttle body, brake switch, brake lamp circuit, or sensors. That directs your next targeted tests and parts to check or replace. Address common causes systematically. Remove and clean the electronic throttle body with throttle cleaner and a soft brush if carbon buildup restricts movement. Test the brake light switch for continuity and correct operation. Replace it if it fails, as the EPC system often monitors that circuit. If codes reference the throttle position sensor, accelerator pedal position sensor, or wiring, replace the specific sensor or harness section with OEM or high-quality aftermarket parts. After parts replacement, reconnect everything and rescan the ECU for cleared codes. Once repairs are complete, clear fault codes with the scanner and perform a 10-15 minute test drive to confirm the EPC light stays off and throttle response is normal. If faults return, rescan and follow live data. Compare throttle plate angle, accelerator pedal percent, and brake switch state while someone presses the pedal. Record anomalies. If you cannot isolate the issue, seek professional diagnostic service. Shop diagnostics typically run 0000 and include pressure tests and module bench testing. Avoid driving aggressively with EPC active. Limp mode reduces power for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.